Hello, my name is Mary, the Emerald Public Library East Branch. Today we are going to make a graduation cap out of a dollar bill. For the supplies to make the graduation cap, you will need a bone folder if you want the sharp creased edges, a dollar bill or any denomination, embroidery, floss, or this one's called DMC, scissors, a needle. I've got a knitting needle because it's easier for me to thread it through the thread. Let's get started. Okay, now that we have the supplies ready, if you want the dollar bill to this one, you will need it face up. No, take that back. It will be this one. If you want the one, you'll start this one. Fold it. Unfold it, and then we're going to make a diamond out of a dollar. We'll fold them both that way. Unfold them, and then bring the other edge up. Unfold it and start to see the diamond forming. You can definitely see it now. So what we're going to do here is take this first side and create that little corner. Take them both up at the same time, bend them together, and I'm going to flatten that out. It does not have to be perfect because this part is going to disappear. So once we have this crease here, we're going to take it up here and fold it even with this edge. Unfold it and do the same on the other side. And you're just doing that to help the fold. And open it up and do a squash fold. And we're going to take this side, fold it over. This corner will need to come here. Fold it over, bring the other side over, and repeat. And I'll flatten it back out. And let's go over to the other side. And we'll do the same thing. There is another way to do it if you're doing the graduation cap for placing on top of a doll. I'm not doing this. I'm doing it as if you were mailing this in the mail and you wanted it flat. So we'll do that last fold one more time, and then we'll have one step that is not the same. I'm going to flatten it back out, and here is where we're making the change. I've got that one tucked under, and then I'm going to tuck this one and tuck it under as well, so that it becomes a flat piece. Now we have the cap done, so you can run it, mail it in the mail like that. To make the tassel, let me go ahead and move that out of the way. To make the tassel, you'll need a piece of the embroidery floss thread. Start it with up its top part and wrap it around your fingers a couple times, maybe 5 times, depending on how thick you want the tassel to be. Let's see, that's maybe 4 times, 5 times. Let me try that again. Put it here and wrap around 3 fingers, or let's do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to take it and fold it in half. And I'm going to grab my knitting needle and hold it there for a second, and bring this one up here and wrap it. That's maybe 6 times. Now I'm not cutting it yet, because what I'm going to do is thread it through the hole that we had the needle in to begin with. Beat it through a couple times. Go through one more time. And what we're trying to do is create a knot, so we don't have to create another knot. Now for the loop, I'm going to run it through one more time. And you can make the loop as long as you want or as short as you want. If I'm going to hang it on there, I think that's probably really good right there. So I'm going to make that a knot right there. And I'm going to knot it one more time. Okay. Cut the scissors, cut that one off. Now it doesn't look like a tassel yet, so I'm going to pull that up. Now that we've got all of those loose ones, I'm going to take the scissors and go right through the middle of them. And we've got one that's really too long, but we can trim that in a second. I'm going to take that one and trim it. Uh-oh. Point is, you can make it as long as you want or as short as you want, and you can trim it up. Since you're making basically the tassel, you can use any color you want as well. And I know the fabric stores have different colors, so whatever color you want for your graduation cap. And you're done. Thank you for watching the video on how to make a graduation cap out of a dollar bill. We also made a little tassel to go with the dollar bill. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell. Have a great day.